Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a Tuya smart device with another person using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the device you want to share. Tap the pencil icon or three dot in the top right corner to open the device settings. In the settings menu, tap share device. Now tap add sharing or add member. Enter the email address or phone number that the other person uses for their Tuya account. After entering the details, tap confirm or send. The person will receive a sharing invitation in their app. Ask the other person to open their app, go to message or notifications, then tap accept. Once accepted, they can control the device from their phone. And that's it, you have successfully shared a Tuya smart device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.